This is the Xiaomi Redmi Pad, and in this video we would like to check and figure out whether this device has an LED lamps for the apps notifications. So to begin with, I will lock the display of my device like so, then bring it under top light so we will better be able to recognize whether there is any designated spot for those LED lights, or we'll look through the entire frame of our tablet. And as you can clearly see, or as I would assume you can clearly see, there is no apparent space for the LED lamps to be in. Thus, the default means of this device do not provide you with an opportunity to set up the LED app notifications. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.